We are drilling holes for the Propex heater. These are marked using this template. We, hole one here, this hole is right here. We drilled the initial pilot holes from the underside because from the underside we can actually see where these random ribs underneath. You can see we have these random little markings of where we were trying to measure from the underside where a rib was that we didn't want to drill through, and trying to transfer that up here, but it was quite imprecise and we weren't comfortable with doing it. So there's a pilot hole from the underside. Use that because obviously from the underside we can see the ribs, and use that to transfer that up onto the surface. And so now that was already drilled, and I just used this pilot hole right here that's circled with a 1 3/4 inch hole saw, a hole saw that's good for metal. 1 5/8 is actually even better, but didn't have that on hand. So 1 3/4 hole saw will slowly go through the metal under here. So let's get started. So we're now at the metal, and I'll clean this out. I will use, we don't have any cutting oil. This works as cutting oil. Cutting oil is something that's used for cutting metal, and it helps prolong the life of the blade and just smooths out the cutting process. So I'll cut this crap out of the hole saw now and continue with this, and you can get a shot of that over here. You can see the process, and then I'll go through eventually, slowly but surely.